In this video, I'll show you how to fix Lenovo laptop button with two methods.
Option 1. Perform a hard reset. First, shut down your Lenovo laptop. Disconnect the charger and any connected devices, such as a mouse, USB drive, or printer. Now, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. After that, turn your laptop back on and check if the keyboard is working.
Option 2. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand the Keyboard section. Right-click your keyboard and choose Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm. Now restart your laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the keyboard driver during startup.
That's it. One of these options should fix your Lenovo laptop keyboard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.